Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Paulio Jr. And today I wanted to just show you very simply how to increase the virtual memory on your computer. So you would definitely want to do this if you have never done this, but especially if you have added more memory to your computer. So today, unlike any other video, I'm using Windows 10 just because that's what everybody is using now, even though I still prefer Windows 7. But you can do this with Windows 10, Windows 8.1, 8, Windows 7, even all the way back to XP. So, long story short, virtual memory is basically that. So it's basically when your computer lacks the RAM needed to run any like application or program, then Windows would use the virtual memory to compensate for that. So what we're going to do is just increase the virtual memory, um, and we do that by seeing how much memory we actually have installed in the computer. So the first thing we want to do is go to search, and if you're on a different operating system, just go to search as well, and just type in control, and we're going to go to control panel, and then we're going to go to system and security, and then we're going to go to system, and then now ignore the 15 gigabyte usable. So I have 16 gigabytes of installed RAM on my computer, which is what my computer maxes out at. It's perfectly fine. So from here, we're going to go to Advanced System Settings, and then we are going to go, we're already on the Advanced tab. Go to Performance, go to Advanced, and go to Total Paging File Size for all drives and for programs. So just leave it at that. Click Change, and now what we want to do is we want to open up our calculator, and I'm just going to open it up on the actual operating system. So 1 gigabyte of RAM is equal to 1024 megabytes. So you can see over here it's in megabytes. So 1024 times 16 is 16,384. Now the standard way to do this to increase virtual memory without destroying your computer is by multiplying this by 1.5. So whatever you have. So if you had 12 gigabytes, then you would do the 12 times 1024 and go from there. So mine has 16. So I'll just do this again. So I'm not talking. 1024, which is 1 gigabyte, and then I have 16. So whatever you have, type in that number equals, and then times 1.5. 24,576. So that's what I'm going to do here. 24,576, and we do it at both. 24,576, and then we set it. Okay, and you want to do it on the C drive. And if this is checked, uncheck that, and then do this. Click OK, and then it'll do it for both, I believe, for background search. Yep. So it does it for both, so no worries. And then we hit apply. Okay. Okay. And that's it. So you can restart the computer, but you should see maybe a 10%, maybe 15% difference as far as speed goes. Increasing the virtual memory uh, definitely does help as far as using the programs and background services as far as relaying information quicker from the hard drive to the memory and so forth and back and forth, so in either direction. So it's really that simple. You can, like I said, just search control panel. So if you're using Windows 8, you'd be putting it over here on your cursor on the bottom right or bottom left, and just do search for control panel, and then all of this looks the same from Windows 7 to Windows 8 to Windows 10. Everything here looks the same. So as long as that is now set in the performance, then we are good. 24,576, that's what mine maxes out at. And all I'm going to do is just restart it and go from there. So very simple way to increase the virtual memory efficiently. And that's the proper way to do it, is to multiply it by the 1.5. So hope this video helped you. After you do increase the virtual memory, restart the computer, and you should see a little bit of a difference. Like I said, at least 10%, maybe 15% difference as far as speed and the computer exchanging information from the hard drive to the actual physical memory. So, and that's all I have for today. Very simple, very easy program, just to help you get a little pep in your step on your PC. So, I will see you guys in the next one. Later.